So I decided to try out this recipe, coconut puff puff, and it came out so yummy. So the first things you're going to be doing is mix your yeast in warm water and set that aside. Go ahead and measure out your flour. For this particular recipe, I'm going to be using 2 cups of flour and 1/3 cup of sugar. Then you go in with your nutmeg. A teaspoon of nutmeg is okay, but I just wanted just very little, so I just sprinkled a little of that. Then you add your salt, very little salt. Then this is our coconut shaft, so I'm going to be using both the shaft and the coconut milk. You can also grate your coconuts and use your grated coconuts, but because I made coconut round to make coconut rice, that was why I blended it to extract the coconut milk. So I'm going to be using a part of the milk for this recipe, not just the coconut shaft. So here I went ahead and poured in my yeast mixed in water. I created a well first and mix it in water and add the yeast that has been mixed in water. Then here is my coconut milk that I am adding into this. So I'm just going to mix this properly and let it come into a dough. So once it looks like how puff would normally look like, and for this recipe I used only 1 cup of water. Whenever I'm making 2 cups of flour, I use just 1 cup of water, and it is always coming out perfect. The consistency is always perfect. So I'm just going to mix and cover this, put it in a dark warm place and set it aside. If you have watched to this point, please give me a thumbs up and drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This channel is for everyone that is trying to learn how to cook, how to make pastries and all of that, and not just learn, I am also learning while creating fun videos. So I'm just going to heat up my oil. I just added one to see if my oil is well heated enough. Then I'm going to go in with my puff puff. So if you have watched to this point, drop your name in the comment section and where you are from. Let me give you a shout out, and thank you for watching this video.